China is poised to unveil two advanced extra-large unmanned submersibles during a grand parade in Beijing on September 3, 2025. This event commemorates the 80th anniversary of the end of the Second Sino-Japanese War, echoing the spectacle of the 2015 parade. Rehearsal images circulating on social media reveal these massive drones, signaling China's accelerated push in underwater technology. The People's Liberation Army Navy leads the world with at least 5 such systems in testing, outpacing other nations in development speed and scale. This strategic investment aims to bridge gaps with superpowers like the United States, focusing on stealthy underwater platforms while its surface fleet still lag behind. One of the showcase drones, designated AJX002, measures approximately 18 to 20 meters in length and 1 to 1.5 meters in diameter, featuring a sleek torpedo-like shape with pump-jet propulsion for enhanced stealth. Experts note its resemblance to Russia's Poseidon, a nuclear-powered torpedo capable of intercontinental strikes, though China's version is assessed as conventionally powered without confirmed nuclear capabilities. Observed in trials at key naval bases in the South China Sea and Yellow Sea, this drone includes modular design elements like lifting lugs for crane deployment and transport. Its potential roles include reconnaissance, mine-laying, or missile launches, posing new challenges to global naval surveillance networks. The second drone, shrouded during rehearsals, matches the AJX002 in length, but is roughly twice the diameter, equipped with X-form rudders and multiple masts for advanced sensor integration. This larger variant, along with the smaller variant, are likely meant to disrupt seabed sensor arrays as well as carrier groups. While exact specifications remain classified, international analysts view these developments as China's bid for asymmetric advantages in contested waters like the Taiwan Strait. Amid rising tensions, this parade not only flaunts technological leaps, but also serves as a deterrent message, highlighting Beijing's shift toward intelligent and unmanned warfare.